Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Tom's TC. And today I'm just going for a little ride to my local Halfords because that's the only place that's open, you know, that sells the Jetwash stuff, because I got really filthy after falling off this thing. And I need to wash my gear. And I haven't washed this jacket in quite a long time, so it's well overdue. I didn't wash my visor, can't see a thing. I also need to try and find a Jetwash. Now I managed to hose this down a little bit, but my hose is so pathetic. I do need to invest in a Jetwash, but there are a couple in around town, but they all seem to be broken. They're always broken. So let's go and find one. Get me Jetwash and get my gear washed. Yeah, if you watched my video, my last video, you would have seen that I fell off the bike. Being a bit silly and going down probably a track I shouldn't have gone down, across the Somerset levels. They're a little bit of a grey area as to whether you're actually allowed on them or not. And I think the main reason I came off was because I was a bit too fast. I was going far too quick. And also, for whatever reason, I sat down. If I'd stood up, I reckon I probably would have been able to hold it up alright. But it was only a little bit of a play. I was just testing the waters to see if it was something that was possible. I managed to break the indicator as well, so I've got to look at that. It's a funny part, isn't it? These few days between Christmas and New Year. Happy New Year, Happy Merry Christmas. If I can't remember if I said that in my last video or not. But it's weird, isn't it? It's like limbo. It's like not really sure what you should be doing, where you should be going, or do you just sit at home on the sofa and eat chocolates? Now, personally, I've been eating so many chocolates I'm actually a little bit sick of them, but I'm still eating them. I love Toblerone, and people know that I love Toblerone, so I get loads of Toblerone for Christmas. Mirror needs sorting out, it's world dodgy. Yeah, so people tend to give me it as gifts, and I got 2 huge bars of them, which is lovely, don't get me wrong, but I try not to eat it before it gets to New Year. Although I have managed to get through at least one of them, and they're the big ones, you know, like huge ones. They're just sitting in the fridge waiting for me the whole time. Eat me! Terrible, really. It's like this morning I didn't, you know, I had a little bit of a lay-in. The kids didn't get up until about 10:30. I don't mind. I quite like sitting downstairs on my own watching a bit of crap on the telly. What was I watching this morning? Oh yeah, Car SOS. Bit of Car SOS. Even though I've seen it a million times before, I still watch it. I tend to put on Quest and watch Quest, because my family love the fact that I like Shed and Buried and Drunk and Disorderly, because I'm literally old before my time. But I love it. I love things like that. Let's go see if this Jetwash isn't working. Never usually is, but I'm going to take the risk. Oh, I keep slouching on this thing. I've got to learn to not slouch. I sort of knock my arms out. I learn to sit forward, keep the arms bent. Maybe in luck. Let's have a look. There's no little signs on it. But it doesn't look like it's working. that one's not. Let's check next door. And that one's not working. What's the point? Let's go and keep an eye out on other garages and see if they got any. We're a bit low on the ground with jet washes in this town. It's annoying. Nope, nope, nope. Let's try this one. Nope. Oh, so frustrating. Oh, what's happened here? What's going on? I hope everyone's alright. It's quite busy, isn't it? For the bit between Christmas and New Year, but then I suppose it is a normal working day for most people. I'm quite lucky in the fact that my whole office shuts down from Christmas Eve right through into the New Year. Although I do have to go in, and I had to go in on Thursday morning. Yeah, no, Wednesday morning. Gee, I don't even know what day it is. Wednesday morning, because the factory does a yearly power down. So I get my colleague in Canada to turn everything off the night before, all the virtual machines and all the servers and everything else, and then once the power's back on, I go back in to power everything back up. And touch wood, it's always been pretty good. We've had a few issues in the past, but no worries really. And the reason the factory power's down is because I've got like these old style mechanical switches on the 3-phase power unit or something that comes into the building. I don't claim to know anything about that. And they actually literally have to physically service the unit every year because it dries out. You have to grease it all up and put it all back together again. This is like the worst junction in the world here. Bit weird. This is the new junction at Taunton, which is caused some controversy because just so badly signposted and marked out. It's crazy really. This is our local big sort of central shopping area, I suppose you call it. Not town centre, but there's like a cinema and all the coffee shops and Sainsbury's and stuff like that. And I could have come in a car, but it's always so busy up here. Don't really fancy it. You've got KFC up here now. Right, let's go and get this stuff. In Halfords. Halfords. Put it here. Should be alright. This is the stuff I've got. Jetwash. So I'm hoping that will revitalise. I haven't had any problems with waterproofing on this jacket, but I know that if you wash it, it can sometimes cause problems. Huh? Oh, thanks mate. It's filthy. It's a Honda CRF 250 Rally. If you want to see more, check out Tom's TC on YouTube, alright? Cheers. Okay, in we go. Watch out for dog walkers, because people do walk the dogs down here. I pull too hard. I got to relax because I think I'm too far, too much weight over the. I don't know. Just got to let the front go with it. It just grips so well on these tyres. I mean, I know this isn't the most challenging of... Oh, look, move! 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 This has all been... There we go. It's always running water down here. There we go. Well, everybody, that is the end of today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't done so already, please give me a subscribe, check out all my other socials, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye!